Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Newcastle Ninja here, and I have a really nice one here that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, and this is the Civivi Conspirator. Big shout out to my brother Brian, who would appreciate that name. This one here comes in many different versions. There is a black micarta handled one with stonewash finish. There's a green micarta one with the black stonewash, and I believe there's a dark green micarta that's in Damascus. This one here with the stonewash finish here is with an African rosewood called Cuibourtia wood, evidently, and it's really pretty. I've seen other ones where there was maybe it's lighter, but seeing the grain that are in this here, it really I'm glad I got it. I'm not usually one for wooden handles, and this one does feel very, very smooth. However, and I'm saying exceptionally smooth. It's like almost like an acrylic feeling. They've got that so smooth, but it really does feel good in the hand too. This is a pretty good sized knife. We're looking at 8.06 inches overall. Blade is 3.48 inches. Handle is 4.62 inches, and the weight is only 3.75 ounces. And the thickness of that is almost a half inch. It's 0.52 inches. And in typical Civivi fashion, it is relatively smooth. And as you can see, and what its claim to fame is that it's a button lock. And it's a very nice one. It's got a nice drop to it. You can use that to deploy it, to close it. It's got some nice jimping right there on the flipper. And it's a really nice sized blade. I really like it, how it's kind of got that almost great white shark kind of look to it. It's got a really nice full flat grind on that drop point blade. And the stone washing that they're doing on that is really nice. Get a little closer look. I like that fuller there too, which can provide you to do the flick there. There we go. Yeah, back that up a little bit. Yep, works great. What's also nice about a fuller is you can use that as a thumb roll for opening. It's got an open pillar construction, and it's got the black milled out liners. Yeah, this is really a beauty. And it appears to be right and left hand carry. They've got it. The clip there is your standard Civivi clip. Some people don't like them. I do. I don't find them to be any problem. And it's got that neutral grip that is very, very comfortable. This reminds me a bit of one that I had gotten earlier, and that is the Relic. And I wasn't even going to get this one because the Relic, also a Nitro V, just seems to share a lot of similarities of the size of it and so forth. But something about that blade, where it doesn't have that it just kind of rounds off rather than cuts sharp. I like both of them. I really do. And I do like that they have that kind of subdued rather than your standard silvery, which I also don't mind. But the handle is really surprising me on how much I like it and just how good it really feels. You got that slight contouring that was shaved into it, and it's a beauty. And also a nice selling point is that Nitro V steel, which I have grown to love. It takes nothing to touch these up, and Civivi really does an outstanding job on their steels, their grinds, and so forth. The button lock, you can hear it, just probably takes a little breaking in before it's not feeling so stiff, but I don't mind it. Yeah, this is a nice fidgeter, but it's going to be a nice user as well. And I'm just amazed at how nice it really feels. Got plenty of jimping here on the back of the spine, and it is a beauty. So I hope you like it. I know I do. really like these grips. I'm just blown away at how much I'm actually really digging it. Nice little step away from G10 and micarta, which seems to be the norm. And there you go. That is the Civivi Conspirator. Hope you liked the video. Feel free to leave a like, subscribe. Love to hear your comments. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.